Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the video, and today we are going to unbox the brand new Casio Edifice 437. It's a stunning watch. Stunning, absolutely stunning. It's a best watch out there under 15,000 rupees. I think I've not seen a better looking watch in Casio than this one. So let's get started. This is the nice bag you get, right? And that's your Edifice ED437, right? And I got it from DLF Noida. Um, there is Edifice Casio showroom basically over there, and I just bought it for 12,995 rupees. Yeah, okay, that's the bill. Invoice copy. We don't want to look into it because we just want to unbox this beauty. So outside you got the common Edifice watch box. It's the common for every watch they have. There is no custom box for any kind of model, so you just slide in, the cover gets out. This cover has the batch number and the model number. It gets out, and then you have a fairly simple yet elegant, simplistic looking the box, right? Let's open the box. That's how you open it, and there you see the beauty wrapped in a plastic cover. Let's remove this. You see that? And there you go. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Edifice ED437. Look at this beauty. Wow. When I went to buy this watch, I was actually looking for options, and I am big fan of these chronological watches. By the way, it's got a tachymeter as well. But so yeah, I was looking for a watch with a premium steel metal with a shine, and the best part about this watch is the strap. The stainless steel strap. It has got such a good shine that when you wear this watch, you know, you'll be basically, it adds to your personality, and no one can actually help but notice this beauty on your wrist. So it's actually kind of a, what do you say? You actually kind of get a good quality watch in such a when you spend 13K. All right, let's remove the cushion. Yeah, that's. Oh, sorry. See, that's what happens when you are recording videos on your own. So there you go. That's the watch. It's got a nice looking blue color ring on the outside. It doesn't rotate. Then you have your usual, standard design, chronological design. You've got three switches out there. You have 2 meters, and then one is hour hand, and then you also have, your day and date. Well, what does all of this mean? Let's get into it. Yeah, the first meter you see right there. Yeah, we'll get into it in a minute. Notice that you've seen this second. This is the hour hand, by the way, right? This is the minutes hand. Well, but the center hand, this one, red one, is actually not a seconds hand. You know, it doesn't reflect the seconds. Instead it's a time stopwatch. You know, so you may ask, where is the second hands? Second hands is here. This one. It always, you'll see it constantly moving because it is the seconds hand. Let's have a closer look. Yeah, so this is your seconds circle. Okay, this is the place where you see the seconds, and rest is the time. Right now it's 1 p.m, so that's the time. Now, if this is the second circle and this is These are the hour and minute hands. Then what is this center? Uh, what does it do? So it is a stopwatch, and let me tell you how it works. So you see this button over here, the first button, that's actually a stopwatch. You click on it, and when I click on it, just notice the this red hand. Okay, yeah. You see it started moving just like that. Yeah, so it started moving. It's basically what you did is by clicking this button, you actually started your stopwatch. You know, and another push of a button, and you stop the stopwatch. So that's a 15-second, right? And then you want to reset it, you click on this button, this one, right, the bottom one. Click on it, and it gets reset. So that's a stopwatch, and that's a reset of the stopwatch. Now the middle one, it is used to actually set the date and the time and the day. So what you do is, for setting this, you first rotate it, because it's a screw. Okay, it's not that you're gonna push it, you're gonna take it out and it's gonna come out. No, it's, remember, it's a screw. Okay, so what you need to do is you rotate it on the back, this direction, not the above direction, but the downward direction. Okay, so I'm rotating it into 1, 2, a 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And while rotating, you will notice that it started coming out. Okay, so downward direction, you have to go it downward. It starts to get out, get out, get out, right? And then you put it up, plug it out, and then set the time. Okay, so that's how you do it. So since my time is already set on this, so I'll just screw it up again, make it tight. And when you, by the way, it's not gonna just happen like that. So when you need to screw it up again, you need to push it first and then press it upward, rotate it upward basically. Okay, so that's how you do it. Okay, and that's how you set the time in this. So that's it. And now let me tell you what is this meter and this meter. I told you that this is a stopwatch. When you start a stopwatch, right, the red hand, the center one, will start rotating. And if you are measuring your stopwatch time, then if in the minutes, you will see it here. Suppose it's been 5 minutes in your stopwatch, then you can see those 5 minutes over here. And if it's 1 hour, more than 1 hour, or 2 hour, or 3 hour, then the hours time will show it here. Okay, which is basically, you never use these, or unless you're a sprinter or someone. Yeah, so ultimately you're going to end up using your date, your day, your seconds hand, this one, and your overall time. That's it. So this hour hand and this minute hand of stopwatch will, seldom be used. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's the unboxing video. Okay, I'll show you what else is there in the box, but let's have a quick good look on this beauty. That's the proper what do you call, the lock, edifice lock. You press it this, and then you press over here, and that's how it works. And that's it. Just press it here, press it here, and there you go. See that beauty? Wow, isn't she stunning? So that's the Edifice ED437 for you. Look at this beauty. Wow. Okay, what else do you get in the box? There's a cushion, right? This. There's a manual, yeah, and this is basically extended warranty coupon. That's chronograph guarantee card, kind of. It tells you 100-meter resistance, stainless steel, and water resistant. Again, the manual. And this is actually else is there? Yeah, this is well, the length of my what do you call this, stainless steel uh, was actually it, the it was quite slightly longer in my wrist, so you know I cut it short. So that's that. All right, thanks guys, I hope you liked this video. If you do liked it, please click on the like button and do let me know in the comments if you like this watch or not. It's a fantastic watch. I think it's value for money. What do you guys think? Let me know about, how do you like this watch. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.